Difference between spectrometry and spectroscopy. Spectroscopy and spectrometry are two related but distinct scientific concepts. While they are often used interchangeably, understanding their differences can help in better scientific understanding and communication. Spectroscopy. Spectroscopy is the theoretical science that studies the interaction between matter and radiated energy, specifically electromagnetic radiation. It focuses on the absorption characteristics of matter when subjected to electromagnetic radiation. Spectroscopy helps in understanding how materials respond to different types of radiation, such as UV visible, IR, and NMR spectroscopy. Spectrometry. Spectrometry is the practical application of spectroscopy, where quantitative measurements of a spectrum are acquired. It involves the use of instruments called spectrometers, which can be of different types depending on the spectrum being measured, such as mass spectrometry, neutron triple-axis spectrometry, ion mobility spectrometry, and Rutherford backscattering spectrometry. Spectrometry generates results that can be used for the quantification of various properties, such as absorbance, optical density, or transmittance.